How to turn off Google News feed on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Search application on your phone. The Google Search application offers a wide range of uses beyond basic web searching, leveraging various technologies and features to provide comprehensive information and assistance. You will then be taken to the Google homepage. Once you're here, scroll down to explore the news feed. Go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Then, scroll down and go to Settings as shown. From here, go to Other Settings. And then, go to the App section and turn off the Discover switch. You will no longer see stories related to your interests on the Home tab of the app. Following these steps, you can easily turn off Google News feed on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.